Type conversion and casting in C# programming. In C# 9.0, type conversion and casting allow you to convert one type to another or explicitly specify the type of an expression. Let's discuss these concepts briefly. 1. Implicit type conversion. Implicit type conversion, also known as widening conversion, occurs when the compiler automatically converts a value from one type to another that can hold a wider range of values without any data loss. For example, int num equals 10, double result equals num, / implicit conversion from int to double. 2. Explicit type conversion. Explicit type conversion, also known as narrowing conversion, requires the use of casting operators to convert a value from one type to another that can hold a narrower range of values. This conversion may result in data loss or potential runtime errors. For example, double num equals 10.5, int result equals int num, / explicit conversion from double to int using casting. 3. Boxing and unboxing. Boxing is the process of converting a value type to the corresponding reference type, while unboxing is the process of converting the reference type back to the value type. Boxing and unboxing operations can be performed implicitly or explicitly. For example, int num equals 10, object obj equals num, / boxing, implicit conversion, int result equals int obj, / unboxing, explicit conversion. 4. Pattern matching. C# 9.0 introduces enhanced pattern matching capabilities, which allow you to perform type checks and conversions in a concise and expressive manner. It includes features like these pattern and switch expressions. For example, object obj equals hello, if obj string str, console.writeLine str.length, / accessing string specific member. In summary, C# 9.0 provides various mechanisms for type conversion and casting, including implicit and explicit type conversion, boxing and unboxing, and pattern matching. These features allow you to work with different types and perform conversions as needed in your programs. Thanks for watching.